blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. And yes, today is i-share ko lang tong nabili kong microphone stands kasi yung ganito ko dati nasira. So bumili ako ng bago. So ito yun, sa halagang 80 pesos. So bumili ako kasi nga para may magamit akong ano. So ayan, so bubuksan natin siya and i-assemble. So ayan siya guys. Ayan. So ayan. Madali naman siya i-assemble. Tada! Guys, na-assemble ko na siya guys. So, easy. So, ayan. Kaya may bago tayong microphone stands. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog.